Quick look at what an electrician earns in Romania. On average, an electrician in Romania earns around $17,200 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, you bring home $11,700. This leaves you with a monthly electrician income of roughly $975. While average electrician pay in rural areas is below this level, big cities offer higher wages. So an electrician's salary in Bucharest reaches $13,800 after tax. That sounds like noticeably more, but higher local expenses often offset the advantage. Entry-level electrician wages start well below the national average, though earnings go up quickly during the first few years. After that initial rise, your income plateaus unless you move into supervision, which is why many workers choose to pursue higher education. Holding a university degree opens doors to better roles, helping you advance from a basic site worker into a master electrician or an electrical project manager. On top of that, developing specialized skills in industrial automation or high-voltage systems can help you earn even more. Showing how much does an electrician make in Romania depends on your training.